So now when we take photos, it will start capturing memories to the memory card. It is very good, very simple functions of a camera. Very, very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the YAK Photography Workshop. And in today's course, I'll be showing you guys the basic components of a camera. So we have here the Canon EOS R DSLR camera. So DSLR stands for digital single lens reflex, and these are very popular cameras as of today's time, and I have the Canon EOS R digital camera here. So much like humans, every camera needs its own basic functions to work. It needs first its body, second it needs a battery to power the camera, third it needs its memory card in order to store all of the files that we capture with it, and fourth it needs a lens in order to see. Now a DSLR camera doesn't have a lens built in, much like other cameras, but it does have the functions to put interchangeable lenses on it. So let's get started with putting it together. So now we're going to be working on the second camera. What's up? How y'all doing? And we will be going over all the basic functions. So first things first, as we can see, the camera cannot power on. We turn it on, nothing happens. So that means that it needs power. So in order to put power into the camera, we will need to pop open the bottom here. You see that? There's no battery in here. We're going to reach over, grab our battery, just like that. Every camera has its battery. And then we're going to place it inside of the camera. Bam. So now that the battery is inside of the camera, we can now turn it on like that. And as we can see, we flip out the screen, it is now powered on. So much like the heart pumps life through us, the battery pumps life through the camera. So now life is pumped through it. So as we can see up close, it says there is no card in this camera. So now we're going to put the card, aka the memory, aka the brains, into the camera. So let's turn it off, make sure it turns off, and it's off. So now we're going to pop open the slot here like that. We're going to grab our memory card. This memory card has 128 gigabytes of storage on there, which means that it's a good amount. And we're going to slide it right into the camera like this. Bam. Close it. And now once we power it back on, we can see that it has the card in the camera since it's not giving us that warning anymore, which means technically we can start storing memories onto this camera. So now in order for the camera to see, we're going to have to put a lens on it. So now next, let's go ahead and grab our lens so our camera can see. This is my 18 to 35 millimeter Sigma lens with an adapter on it so it can mount onto this camera. And this lens also shoots at a 1.8 f-stop, which allows more light to enter it if we're shooting at nighttime. Very good lens, I highly recommend it. You can get it for about like $600-700 bucks. So let's go ahead and pop this off, and then we're gonna pop this off like that. And as we can see here, we have a red line here, a red dot, and we're gonna match it up with this red dot here. So let's go ahead and align those two like that. It's a line, and then we just twist and it snaps right in. So perfect. So now we're going to take off this is like a it's a shader, and then we're going to also take off this lens cap. And now when we turn on the camera, we are able to see exactly what we're looking for. Nice. So it's really good. We can see everything that is on this camera, and yeah, it's really clear, really pixel perfect. So now when we take photos, it will start capturing memories to the memory card. It is very good, very simple functions of a camera. Very, very, very nice. So this is my go-to camera here. I love this camera so much. So now this camera is well put together and it is ready to shoot. So I hope you guys learned something new from this course, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video where we talk about lenses. These bad boys right here. Catch you on the next video.